If Capcut is throwing error 41155, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple fixes that can help you get your project exporting again. This error is usually tied to performance issues, cache problems, or a specific clip in your timeline causing the export to fail. The good news is, you can often fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling the app or starting over. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Capcut fixes and editing tips. Alright, let's jump in. The first fix is to turn off hardware acceleration. Open Capcut and go to Menu, then Settings, then Performance. In this section, look for the option that says Speed up hardware encoding. If it's enabled, unselect it or turn it off. This setting can sometimes cause export errors on certain devices, especially if your system is already under heavy load or the project is very complex. After turning it off, save your settings, go back to your project, and try exporting again. In many cases, this alone is enough to resolve error 41155. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to do is clear the app cache. Over time, Capcut can store temporary files that build up and interfere with performance. To do this, go into Capcut Settings and look for the Draft tab. Inside that section, you should see your cache. Click the Delete option next to the cache eyes to clear it out. This will remove temporary data without deleting your main project files, and it can help Capcut run more smoothly. Once the cache is cleared, restart the app and try your export again. Now, if the error still appears, the third fix is to export your project in segments. This is especially useful if your video is long or contains a lot of effects, transitions, overlays, or heavy media files. Split your timeline into smaller parts and export them one at a time. This helps you figure out whether a specific clip, effect, or section of the timeline is causing the crash. If one segment exports successfully and another fails, you've narrowed down the problem area. From there, you can remove or replace the clip that's causing the issue and re-export the full video. So to recap, if you want to fix Capcut error 41555, first turn off hardware acceleration in performance settings, then clear your cache from the Draft tab, and finally export your video in smaller segments to find the problem clip. These 3 steps solve the issue for many users and can save you a lot of time and frustration. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Capcut tutorials, export fixes, and editing solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.